Hi everyone, my name is Imanuat and I'm from Cebu Eastern College. And yes, thank you for attending today's virtual interview. So, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Who would like to utter?
Ako na lang, miss.
Okay. So, Mr. Sumili, so what type of lesson that interests you the most and how do you prefer learning it?
So, as a math major student from Cebu Technological University, I am prefer learning algebra. It is because it makes me feel comfortable and also I love problem solving. Yes.
Oh, okay. So, is it through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic? Why?
I think that's applicable. It is because while I am um, nagtanaw sa kanang lesson, I also hear that also. Then sometimes I tanong ko, then nag-analyze mga words or mga sounds sa akong utok.
Oh, okay. Mr. Sumili. So, Miss Richilan, am I audible?
Yes, miss.
So, are you ready for your take question? So, your question is, what type of lesson interests you the most? How do you prefer learning it?
For me, kanang ang nakakuan ko sa mo relate siya sa kanang mga solving, basta mo relate siya kanang numbers niya imo i-solve. I find it interesting, and kuan kanang most na nagpakuan ako kanang pastime nako insahay para nalang ko ilingaw.
Oh, Miss Richilan, is it through visual or your kinesthetic? Why?
When in comes of solving, kanang need jud na siya kanang i-visualize nimo nga na kay matan-awan, need sa na siya kanang explanation para imong masabtan ang kanang mga example na imong nakita sa visual, and need sa na nimong ma-apply para makahibaw jud ka ug makahinumdum ka sa mga method kung unsaon na nimo pag-solve a certain nga kanang problem. So ang tulo.
Okay, so both of you kay all. So, thank you. Answer sa kong question. I hope you have a great day today. Bye.
Bye. Thank
So, hi everyone. My name is Kay Manuat, and yes, thank you for attending in this virtual interview. So, who would like to answer first?
I would like to answer first, Miss Minuat.
Okay, Mr. Christian. So, what type of lesson interests you the most, and how do you prefer learning it? Is it through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic?
Okay, give me a minute. I'm sorry about that. So, so the lesson that I'm more likely to engage is more on linguistic because it is prior to my strand right now as a young students. We are schooled or we are trained to become public friendly. So communication is really a must for us. As for the learning styles, I prefer kinesthetic in a way that experience has more potential to develop and gain knowledge rather than just forcefully reading and tiredly listening to it. So, because for me, people nowadays are more likely to engage rather than just to entertain themselves for us to have mastery because online class is hard if you only let your brain do it. We should do it with our hearts also. That would be all.
Okay, you've answered the why question. And second who would like to answer?
Ako,
Okay, Miss Rika Siptimo. So again, same question. What type of lesson interests you the most, and how do you prefer learning it? Is it through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic? So,
okay. The type of lesson that I interest the most is the trigonometry since I am a base in math major, so kuan jud ako ang trigonometry. And mas prefer ko through visual because kuan
why? It is
makita
because
mismo kung
okay, Miss Rika Siptimo was out of the line.
putol-putol ko,
Miss Rika?
putol-putol
Yes.
ko.
Yes, just why is it visual, Miss Rika? Again?
Visual kay tungod kay since it is math kuan na siya na related nang makasabot ta through visual kay kuan kung magdungog-dungog ra ta dili ta makakuan ana dili ta makasabot og dali di ko makasabot og dali ana so through visual makakita jud ko kung giunsa na pagkuha ang kana na problem and given so mao to.
Thank you. And lastly, we have Miss Annie.
Sa
Annie?
pagkuha sa niya.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So same question said. So what type of lesson interests you the most, and how do you prefer learning it? Is it through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic? Why?
For me, I'm interested in ethics because it involves the moral principles that govern the person's behavior. So, for the way of learning it, I prefer the auditory because dali ra siya masabtan basta naay mo explain mo maayo. Maran.
Okay. So thank you for your answers. Yes, boss.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out